Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Snapchat call history. To do that, let's head over to the Snapchat application first. Well, once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the DM section. And in here, head over to any conversation. And here, let's say I'm sending a call and then just cutting it off. So as you can see, it's a missed call, and if I want to delete it, or how I can do that is there is you can just keep tapped on it, and the delete option is here. Just tap on delete, and here as you can see, when you delete a message, we will attempt to remove it from our servers and your friends' devices. This might not always work. Like if someone has a bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat, just tap on OK and tap on delete chat, and this call history is deleted. So yeah, this is how you can delete Snapchat call history. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.